Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Hyundai I30 Active X, stock reference number 5622. The shape runs from the 4th month 2015 through to the 2nd month 2017. It has a D4FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D4FB 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one large scratch, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.